Hello guys and welcome back. We have DOP Data Ownership Protocol airdrop is finally here. Token minting, you can go to the website and claim the tokens. I'm gonna do it in a second and also mention some other ones coming this month. Kamino Drift, something from Jupiter, which is gonna be a huge month, and with the DOP we already have it. They promised it before the end of Q1 and they literally did it in the last day. I think they posted that, or 2 days ago. So you're gonna get between 460 and almost 10,000 of the tokens. The first, they won't be non-transferable, so you have to just keep them in the wallet until they finalize everything, but at least you'll be able to have it in the wallet. You're just not gonna be able to do anything much with it. And some of the potential listing partners can implement KYC, but that will be obviously further down the line, the details. But you've got everything here, so just go ahead and claim it. Mine is 1000 DOP. Was expecting a bit more, but it is what it is. Let's keep on farming, keep on doing those airdrops together, and hopefully we're gonna get more and more. So let's just claim this one. You go to this website, connect your wallet and claim the token. Sign the transaction in your MetaMask and you'll get the tokens. Transaction fees are extremely high at the moment. I'm going to wait personally for it to go down about $5 because Ethereum is congested now. So you can do the same. You can search for ETH gas fees to have them a bit cheaper. I'll wait a couple hours and come back to it because $20 is a bit too high. And let's go to these other ones just quickly, briefly. Hope you are farming those points. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna get or something, but Kamino is a very good website. I'm gonna keep on using it after even the airdrop. Keep on adding, keep on growing. So I've got the liquidity provided. You see very decent profit, then some liquidity in Sol USDT, some in WIF hat, some borrow lending a little bit, very small amount, and then longing Solana at least until it gets to all-time high 260 or even possibly more like 300, and I'll just keep adding to the position. Very easy to use. Check out my other videos about it. Drift, the same thing. It's not as easy to use, it's more advanced, perpetuals and stuff, but even if you just top up the account here, you're going to have start earning those points. I've got only 4. I'm not sure if I'm very far in the ranking. I was focusing on other things honestly, but as I said, any little help, just deposit some money. You have to deposit like $50 to start with. Deposit some money and it straight away earns you money even without doing anything. So as you can see, it straight away has a Solana APR or USDC is 30%. Solana is very small, but USDC is quite decent and obviously adds to those points. Maybe get some free Drift tokens. Everything will be released this month in April, so it's going to be a very big month for airdrops. Let's see what we're gonna get, but just check out my other video as well to check out how to use it, how to start. Highly recommended for you to at least try. Can't lose money here. You can deposit, you can withdraw later, so only fees will be transaction fees, and at least you could give it a shot until the airdrop is here. So thank you guys for watching.